stamps on feet. C for cat who meows all day. D for dog who wants to play. Let's sing together, follow me. We'll learn letters A, B, C. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish that swims away. G for goat with horns so strong. H for hat, Zuzu puts it on. Sing along now, wave and see. Zuzu's teaching ABC. I for igloo, cold and white. J for jumping with delight. K for kite that flies up high. L for lion, hear him cry. Dancing, hopping joyfully, Zuzu cheers ABC. M for monkey, funny face. N for nest, a cozy place. O for orange, yummy treat. P for parrot, voice so sweet. Laughing, clapping, Zuzu's free. Who wants to sing their ABC? Q for queen, crown on head. R for rabbit, quick to bed. S for sun, shining bright. T for train, full of might. U for umbrella when it rains. V for violin, magic strains. W for whale, swimming free. X for fox, X makes fox. Y for yacht, sailing by. Z for zebra, waving high. Zuzu taught us letter C. Now we know our ABC.